Hello everyone, welcome to AOL, Always on Learning. Is your handwriting bad? You want to improve your handwriting? Your parents, your teacher always scolding you for your bad handwriting? Don't worry, I am Shoma. I am going to teach you 5 tips how to improve your handwriting. Tip number 1. Right way to hold the pencil. So this is the correct way to hold the pencil. If you hold very near, it is very difficult for writing. You can't write very fast. If you hold far, that also you are not able to write very fast. So correct way to hold is very important. So this is the correct way to hold the pencil. So grip is very important for writing. Tip number 2. Practicing with pattern. Now look here, sleeping line, standing line, curve, and can you tell me why I am writing this type of pattern? Because these patterns help us to write all letters A to Z. Now you see, if I write one sleeping line and one standing line, which letter this one? Letter T. So we are using sleeping line and standing line. Now if I draw one curve, now you can see I can make one letter A, and also one more curve I am writing here. Now see, letter Z. So this pattern help us to write all the letters. So you should practice every day 15 minutes pattern writing. Tip number 3. Size of letters. So when you are writing, your all letters should be same size. Now look here. Can you see here that S is not the same size? It's look good? No. So when you are writing, you should follow the main thing, that is all letters should be same size. So now look here, if I write this way, you can see all the letters are same size. Is this look good now? So always follow this point, your letter should be always same size. Tip number 4. All the letters should be clear. Now look here, I am writing few letters. Letter A, letter B, letter C, E. Can you recognize which one is A or B? Is this correct one if I say this is letter B? So how you will write? A, this is correct one. This is letter A. And how you will write B? It should be clear when you are writing. Now see, letter C and letter E. This is the correct way to write letter E. This is not. This is the wrong way to write. If you write very fast, C and E. Now you look here, it's both look like C only. So you should follow this step, how to write all the letters, and all the letters should be clear. Tips number 5, very important point. Connect the letter with straight line. So I will tell when you start writing, you're practicing your writing, you should follow the 4 lines book, notebook, otherwise rules book. So now see, if your 4-line books, it's look like that. So when you are writing your letter, you should follow from which letter, from where you have to start and where you have to stop. Now see, if I write letter B, so I will start from the first line. This way. If I write letter B this way, is this correct? This is the wrong way. So always follow from where you have to start and where you have to stop. And also you can use ruled notebook. So here main thing is your all letters should be in one line. So now see, if I writing I am a girl. So here you can see my all the letter touch the line. So you should follow this thing. So kids, I hope you enjoyed the session and these 5 tips help you to improve your handwriting. Okay, that's all for now. We will meet in the next class and till then keep practicing. Thank you.